Okay, so we are here in the Trilogy Winery, and looks like this is the venue. As you can see, it's a beautiful venue. Look at the stage that we're playing on. It's amazing. Digging it. I'm going to turn around here and I'm going to show you the actual location of this place. Look at this. So that's the clubhouse right there. And all the seats are going to be filled tonight. On this other side is an amazing pool, which I can't show you right now because I might get shot, and I wouldn't be able to sing tonight. So anyways, this is Alfredo Lopez. I'm getting closer to the stage where the crew is getting everything together. Everything's getting copacetic, and it's going to be very hot here. And there's Adrian Arias. And Adrian